The worst date of my life lasted 4 hours, and I could not leave.
Hey, I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Welcome to Fluent English Podcast, where we have real conversations so you can learn natural, everyday English just by listening.
No textbooks, no boring grammar lessons. Just two people talking, like normal people do.
And today, I have a story, a painful, embarrassing, very funny story.
I already know this story, and I am still excited to hear it again.
Okay, so last Saturday, I went on a date.
A date? Fun. With who?
A guy I met online. His name was, let's say, Jake.
Jake. Why the pause?
Because after this date, that name means something different to me now.
Oh no. Okay, where did you go?
He picked the restaurant, which, fine, I thought that was nice. A little old-fashioned, but sweet.
But
He picked a restaurant that he clearly loved and I had never heard of. And Alex, the menu had no prices.
no prices? That means it's expensive.
Very expensive. And he goes, order whatever you want. Very confident, very generous sounding.
Okay, I like Jake so far.
Wait,
All right, so you sit down, you look at the menu.
I order something simple because I felt a little uncomfortable with the no price thing. I got a salad and a pasta.
Reasonable.
He ordered like 4 things: an appetizer, a soup, a steak, and dessert before the meal even started.
He pre-ordered dessert?
He told the waiter, we'll also do the chocolate lava cake, just bring it out when you think the time is right.
Okay, that is a lot of confidence.
And then, Alex, the conversation started.
Was it bad?
It wasn't bad exactly, it was just only about him.
Oh,
Like for the first 30 minutes, he talked about his job, which, fine, but then it was his apartment, his car, his gym routine.
did he ask you anything?
Once, he asked me where I grew up.
Okay, that's something.
I said, Ohio. He said, cool, and then went back to talking about his gym.
He said cool and moved on?
Immediately, no follow-up, nothing.
Wow. Okay, so the food comes.
The food comes, it's actually delicious, I'll give him that, and I'm thinking, okay, maybe I can just enjoy the food, be polite, and then go home.
A totally reasonable plan.
But then the check comes.
And?
He looks at it, he makes a face, like this little wince.
A wince for our listeners is when your face tightens up, like you're in a little bit of pain.
Exactly. And he goes, this is a little more than I expected.
On a no-price menu.
On a no-price menu at a restaurant he chose.
Emma.
And then he just slid the check toward the middle of the table.
He didn't say anything? He just slid it?
Just slid it and looked at me.
Okay, what did you do?
I panicked. I smiled. I said, should we split it?
You offered to split it?
I didn't know what else to do. The check was just sitting there between us like a little problem we both had to solve.
So did you split it?
He said, and I quote, yeah, that would probably be easier.
Easier. For who?
That's what I was thinking. Easier for who, Jake? Because it is not easier for me. I ordered a salad and a pasta, and you ordered the entire menu, including a pre-planned dessert.
Pre-planned dessert. He planned the dessert before the meal and then split the check?
And here is the worst part.
There's a worst part?
As I'm paying, he goes, this place is great, right? We should come back sometime.
He wants a second date.
He thought it went well, Alex. He had a great time.
I mean, of course he did. He talked about himself for 4 hours and someone else helped pay for it.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the English from this conversation, because there were some really great natural phrases.
Yes, so the first one, order whatever you want. This is a very common, generous sounding phrase. It means choose anything from the menu, no limits.
But as Emma learned, sometimes people say it without really meaning it.
Another phrase was split the check or split the bill. This means 2 people each pay half. Very common on dates, with friends, at restaurants.
And then there was wince, which I explained during the story. It means a small, quick expression of pain or discomfort. You might wince when you see a big number on a bill.
Like Jake did.
Like Jake did. And finally, this is more than I expected is a polite way of saying something is more expensive than you thought.
You can use that phrase in many situations. A repair bill, a grocery trip, a restaurant with no prices.
Lesson learned, always find the prices first.
Always.
Subscribe so you never miss a conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.